everyone. Welcome to part 15 of our Python tutorial series. In this video, we'll dive deep into the Fibonacci series with examples. Learn how to implement it using recursive functions and explore the concept of the Tribonacci series. Let's get started.
Similarly, Fibonacci series are very important. Okay, you'll feel easier to take functions instead of this. If you take recursive part now, for Fibonacci, it is so easy actually. These all are very easy to remember also. Okay, n into factorial of n minus 1. Logic is very easy for sum also. N plus sum of n minus 1, natural sum of n minus 1. These user-defined functions are easy to remember. Okay. But if you go to Fibonacci series, I'll explain you some of the Fibonacci series also. Okay. Yesterday, I have explained you Fibonacci series, right? This is a Fibonacci. Once I want to take this example, so it might be helpful here. Same Fibonacci series. Okay. And we have printed, like we have created a recursive code here. Sorry, iterative code here. Okay. And if you are taking any input like 5, you'll get 5 series. We have created this thing yesterday. In yesterday's class, I have explained you this part. Okay, but how to like even function by creating functions, you'll create the same logic there. Okay, but okay, I'll show you by using functions and by using recursion. Recursion will be very easy. Okay, Fibonacci series. And you can use that recursive function for Fibonacci series for Tribonacci series also. Even that Tribonacci series is very easy to deal with. Easily you can deal with it. Okay, I'll explain you this part. Fibonacci series you are taking using function. You need to remember this all logic. Okay, initially you'll create def Fibonacci. Okay, inside you are sending one number and you'll create a same logic like this. Okay, here yesterday I have used a num, right? I want to use num instead of using this. This logic you can write it in this. Okay, you can write this logic here, or else you can return it. Anything you can do. Okay, it's up to you how you want to do. Okay, even you can return it. Now just take a input variable. Okay, like n is equal to hint of input. Okay, here enter a number, or enter a series number. You want to get the number of series, right? Okay, and pass it to Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci of that n. Okay, now see, if you take 5, you're getting 5. Similarly, if you take 7, you'll get 7 series. Okay, this is a way you are creating by using some functions here. Okay, after 3 minutes, your class is going to end. Join with the same link. Okay, Fibonacci series using functions here. Got it right? How to create this Fibonacci series using functions. Okay, day by day, your coding part also will become advanced, but try to follow all the classes. Okay, when you enter into Matplotlib and all, things will be very advanced. Maybe some sort of basic coding you'll see there, like Matplotlib C1, some basic part you'll see, but you'll enter into advanced part also, all the different types of charts. If you are not following the classes properly, you won't be able to understand the charts. Okay, when we enter into data science is not the easy subject. Try to follow all the things. Okay. If you're not understanding anything here also, you can ping in the chat. Once again, I'll explain you. Until you understand this all things, I'll explain you. Ping in the chat if you're not getting anything out of this. Now same Fibonacci series. Okay. Uh, Fibonacci series using recursion. Okay, same recursion function. Now how to create logic? Logic will be different. Same def Fibonacci 1 like this I'm taking. In this you'll pass a series number. Okay. After passing a series number, what you'll do? Same. If n equal to 0 or n equal to 1, you'll return n. Same logic. For all, mostly it will be same. You can follow this code actually. For final year students who are there, if you are attending any coding part, this sort of coding will be very easy for you. Not only this, upcoming sessions you'll see very small effective coding. Okay, in a shorter length. Join with the same link. Class is going to end now. Okay. Class is going to end in 1 minute. Clear, right, everyone? What is function and all, how to take it, some user-defined function. We'll be dealing with some inbuilt user-defined function. We have a separate class for it. I'll explain this all things in that user-defined function. Okay. Let's complete this one. Factorial using functions here. I'll continue this after the class. Okay. Next, now how to take recursive function. Okay. Now see, I'll explain you how to take recursive function now. Okay. Else, what you need to return. This will be like a different thing. Okay, Fibonacci underscore 1 of n minus 1. Seriously, why this is open? N minus 1. Okay, plus Fibonacci. Okay, Fibonacci of the underscore 1 of n minus 2. Why I'm taking this? Do anyone have any idea why I'm taking this? You know, when you take Fibonacci series, okay, 0 plus 1, we'll get the third element. Okay, 1 plus 1, you'll get fourth element. Okay, similarly, 1 plus 2, you'll get 3. Okay, 2 plus 3, you'll get 5. Okay, by adding these two elements, you're getting the other element. Similarly, you are doing the same thing here. Okay, if you want a third element, like third series of this Fibonacci series, you'll add this and this, right? If 3 is the third series, if you want to print the third series 1, what you'll take? You'll take 0 and 1. You'll add both. Similarly, we are doing the same thing here. We are creating a recursive function for that. Okay. And if you are done with this recursive function, what you need to do? You need to print it. Okay. How to print it? You are done creating this recursive function, right? If you feel that if you take this Fibonacci, okay, Fibonacci, oh, any mistake, Fibonacci, then why I'm not getting Fibonacci? Sorry, that's a name error. Fibonacci of some, if you take Fibonacci of 3, it will return 1. It's not returning anything. Name error, I guess. I have taken Fibonacci of 1. 1 minute. Fibonacci is not defined. It's name error. This is a name actually. You can take this. Okay. Fibonacci of 3, it will return 1. No, still it's a name error. Here it's showing. Okay. Instead of taking this much big name, I want to take Fibo. Okay, here also I'm using Fibo. Getting some complication error with that name. Okay. Now I'll take same. Fibo of 3. Okay, okay, okay. Fine, fine, fine. Okay. Fine, fine. Got it, got it. Okay. If you see, if you're taking Fibo of 3, you're getting 2. What is this Fibo of 3? Nothing but this element. Okay. If you take Fibo of 4, you'll get 3. Okay. Similarly, if you take Fibo of 5, you'll get 5. If you take Fibo of 6, you'll get 5 plus 3, 8. Okay? To print all the Fibonacci series, what logic you need to create? You need to take an input now. Okay? It's just printing the series number. Like if it is 3, it is printing this. Okay, 4, just printing the Fibonacci series. Now, how to take, like how to print all the Fibonacci series up to given number. For that, you need to take a input number. Okay, hint of input, enter a number. Okay, after entering number, create a logic for I in range. Okay, you'll take this number, num up to there. Just print Fibonacci series in this, like Fibo of I. Okay, if you take 5, you'll get it. See. Okay, see here 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. If you want everything in same line, you can take this way. Okay, and is equal to like this. Got it? In a single code, you can take this both. This is using recursion. This logic is very easy to understand actually. Okay, even this also. In this way, you can create this sort of recursive function. Okay, got it right, everyone? Similarly, some like some of the like when I was in BTech final year, I have seen this sort of question for Cognizant. Tribonacci series. This is Fibonacci series, right? Okay. If you take Tribonacci series, what will be the logic? Can anyone tell me for Tribonacci series? Logic will be almost same. Things will change here. What is it? Here we are taking Fibo. I'll take Tribono. Okay. I'll take Tribo. Tribo means 3. And how you'll get the Tribonacci series, I'll tell you. See, it's same like Tribonacci series means initially you'll take some number like 0, 1, 1. After adding this 0, 1, 1, you'll get 2. Okay, after adding 1, 1, 2, you'll get 4. Okay, after adding like see, after adding this 3, you're getting 4. Similarly, after adding 1 to 4, you'll get 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay, similarly, you'll get 2, 4, 6 like this. Clear? 1 minute. I forgot to mute everyone. Okay. Did I start this recording, right? Okay, recording is got it right. In this way, you'll get it. Similarly, 2, 4, 7, it gives you 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4. 9 plus 4, tell me, 13. In this way, you'll get the series. So you need to create that sort of logic now. Okay. Same tribo of n minus 1, tribo of n minus 2. Okay. And plus what you need to take now? Can anyone tell me what I need to take here? Logic. Tell me everyone what we need to take here for Tribonacci series. You got the logic right by adding n minus 3. Be active everyone. Okay. Now what you need to do? You have created Tribonacci function. Now same. Okay. Here also same. Number is same. Everything is same. Here you need to take instead of Fibo you need to take Tribo. Okay. Now if I take 5, it's giving an error. Try is not defined. Where? Okay, Tribo. Okay, now I'll take 5. It's not printing anything. Okay, it's entering into infinite loop, I guess so. 1 minute. I don't know. I'm stopping the kernel. Any mistake here? I guess no, right? Fibo of n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 2, everything is same. This is correct only. If you take here, if you're taking 1, 1 not, okay, if you're taking 5, 5, 4, 3, like that, okay. Okay, Tribonacci series you are getting correct only for Okay, for 3 it is entering into infinite loop. Might be somewhat logic is wrong or it is going into infinite loop. We can see here. Take online compiler. Okay. This is a code like I'm creating by myself. I'm not copying anywhere. Okay. This all codes I'm only doing still. It's not stopping. Kernel is not stopping. When you're getting this sort of problem, stop your kernel. Okay. This is interrupt the kernel. Why? Because sometimes if you're taking some infinite loop, that sort of things, your whole Jupyter notebook will get collapsed. That means like whole code will get collapsed sometimes. Okay. There will be some chances of being that way. Try to be careful while dealing with this. Now we'll see. Input will take and will take Tribonacci series, right? Okay. We'll run it and see now why I'm getting error. It's giving maximum recursion depth. Fine. It's entering into some infinite loop, right? Let's print this, take this and give in ChatGPT. Yeah, here one more logic here. Okay, n is equal to 2. We need to return this, right? Okay. Small modification in the logic. Okay. Why? Because if you take 0, 1, next n is equal to 2 means we need to return 1. Okay. Here we are taking 0, 1, 1, right? So for this. Initially 0, 1, 1 numbers we are taking. Like for iteration, easily you can take it. Okay, while you are taking for recursion, you need to define in a proper way. If n is equal to 2, you need to return this. Okay, series. That thing I need not return. So we'll see 5. Got it like previously. 0 up to this you'll get. Okay. Here mistake what I have done is like if you take this 0, 1, 1 and second series is nothing but 1. Okay, I did not define that second series is equal to 1. Like we need to return 1 for the second series. That's the only mistake I have done here. Okay. Here else elif you need to take okay, elif n equal to some uh, n equal to 2. There also you need to give one condition, you need to return 1. Okay. Why? Because you are here if you're taking this series, it is 1, right? 0, 1, 1. So n equal to 2, you need to return 1. 0, 1, 1. So second term is also 1. Okay. For that you are creating this. Okay. And if you run this, you won't get any error now. See. In this way. That's the only small mistake what I've done. Clear everything? Got it right this one? No need to mug up anything. It's just like you can create anything however you want. Just logic is important. Okay, if you can build your own logic, then you'll be good enough to deal with programming. Okay, these are not scripted classes also. I'm giving my own examples. I'm not taking from anywhere. Okay, these all things I have practiced long back when I was in my college. Okay, while I was doing some courses for data science. Okay, I used to participate in like I used to do hacker ranks, code jeff, all this different coding I used to do. Okay, even to make your programming skills so good, you need to practice this code. So when you are having some time, at least like some 3 to 4 months, you need to practice in different things. Okay, clear this one, everyone. This is some cognizant question, I guess. Clear till here, everyone, how to take this recursive function. And these recursive functions are easy to understand actually, and easy to code also in lesser time. see how easily we can, but logic we need to remember. If you miss the logic, it will raise some error. Okay. Okay, done, right? And yesterday's class, we are just went with the iteration part. I did not deal with any function and recursive function. We just went through it, iteration part. Okay. And before class, like in the third class, I explained you while loop and while loop, for loop, how to take the different coding part. Okay. And practice different questions. Like still, if you want some more questions to practice, I'll share a PDF after. List and like tuple, we will be dealing with one thing. If you are done with that class, I'll share a PDF to you. Mostly after.
Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for part 16, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sklassics Technologies.